As Outstanding Woman in Civil Construction for 2025, Miriam de Kievith is an outstanding success story in the civil industry. Beginning her career in civil through the Spark Women in Civil program, Miriam then started as a labourer at Guideline ACT, completing a 3-year engineering traineeship while working full-time. Miriam's determination and work ethic have allowed her to excel, often outperforming more experienced peers. She is recognised for her exceptional service to stakeholders, commitment to quality and safety, and her ability to transition the company from a paper-based to an electronic management system. Despite facing challenges, Miriam has consistently shown resilience and a willingness to find solutions. She serves as a role model for women in construction, and her journey from labourer to key management team member is a testament to her hard work and potential. Congratulations, Miriam!